Hello and welcome to the instructor's introduction for texture, time, and motion. So we've got our quick links to the discussion post, which is going to be a vocabulary discussion, and also the weekly quiz. So this is a really cool concept to think about when it comes to texture, time, and motion in regards to how artists have reflected on these creative practices since art's been made, basically. This is a great video that I'd like for you to watch. It's about 4 minutes long, and it's Alexander Calder's, definitely his creative process in the way that he uses texture, time, and motion to make his paintings that move, actually. So check that out. And the main topics that we're covering is really thinking about the differences between actual texture and visual texture. So you're going to want to download the reading. There's a weekly quiz, the vocabulary, and there's 2 lectures. So let's go ahead and keep going through this module. This is a great page that has some awesome, these are all links that take you, some of them take you to a video. Whoops, that's not going to work. Let me close that. Some of them take you to a different link. But these are all terms that we'll be using throughout this semester and things that you would want to potentially use ideas and concepts that you would want to discuss if you were looking at artwork at SF MoMA, or when you're talking about the artwork in your discussion post or your essays. So check out this video. It's about texture, and these are other types of elements in art that I think are important for you to consider. And then some definitions that are connected also to how artists sort of apply texture and use texture as they're making their work. Lecture part 1, of course, you're going to want to download the PowerPoint. It's about 12 minutes long, and there's some pretty interesting work that reflects your weekly reading. And lecture part 2, along with these videos that I'd like for you to check out, that again pull out some of the artists that have been discussed in your reading. And these are just the lectures condensed together for reference purposes. And a bunch of helpful links. One of the artists discussed was Jackson Pollock, so if you want to learn more about him, there's some great videos and also other links that just explore some of the artists and ideas from the reading and things that I'd like for you to think about in relationship to this concept of time, texture, and motion. So I hope that you enjoyed this learning unit. If you have any questions, please keep me posted. Thanks.